Tropical Depression number 15 became Tropical Storm Omar as Nana approaches Central America. Tropical Storm Omar formed off the U.S. East Coast as Tropical Storm Nana approached the coast of Central America. Forecasters predict that Tropical Storm Nana will strengthen to a hurricane by the time it makes landfall on Thursday, and they have stated that persons in Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, and Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula should monitor the storm's progress closely. It is still expected that Tropical Storm Nana will bring strong winds, a dangerous storm surge, and heavy rainfall, which may cause flash flooding. Nana is currently moving west at 18 miles per hour on a path that could lead to damage in Central America by Wednesday and Thursday. Nana's center was located about 535 miles east of Belize City and about 370 miles east-northeast of Limon in Honduras. Nana and Omar are the earliest 14th and 15th named storms on record. It is expected that Tropical Storm Omar will be short-lived. The storm has maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, and it has showed little change, and little change is expected overnight. Tropical Storm Omar was located at 225 miles east of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, and was moving east-northeast at 15 miles per hour. Forecasters have predicted that it will weaken throughout the night. Tropical Storm Nana is currently headed for Belize. It moved westward throughout Wednesday just off the coast of Honduras on a collision course with the tiny nation of Belize. According to the Hurricane Center, Nana was located about 240 miles east of Belize City with sustained winds of 60 miles per hour. Tropical Storm Nana was moving at 17 miles per hour and was expected to strengthen throughout the day and is expected to make landfall in Belize as a hurricane throughout Wednesday night or early Thursday morning. Belize has been issued with a hurricane warning, and this is in place for the coastline of Belize. Tropical Storm Nana was 145 miles east-northeast of the Honduran island of Roatan, a popular tourist destination. Heavy rains were expected in Belize, as well as in northern Honduras and throughout Guatemala, as Tropical Storm Nana crosses the isthmus on Thursday, September 3rd. Tropical Storm Nana is still tracking towards making landfall in Central America. It is still expected to become a hurricane prior to making landfall in Belize. They are still expecting that storm surge flooding and damaging winds are possible near where Nana makes landfall, possibly in Belize. Tropical Storm Nana is expected to bring flooding rain in parts of Honduras, Belize, Guatemala, and southeastern Mexico. It is currently tracking through the Caribbean Sea and may become a hurricane before quickly moving ashore in Central America, with a threat of damaging winds and flooding in the areas in which it will make landfall. Tropical Storm Nana is moving quickly westward toward Belize, and it will track into the coast of Belize by early Thursday, possibly as a hurricane. It is then expected to push inland over Guatemala and into southern Mexico. Strong and potentially damaging winds are expected near where Nana hits the coast. Whilst it is a small system, you should expect the strongest winds should be confined to a very small area. Tropical Storm Nana continues towards Central America and is expected to make landfall in Belize, Tropical Storm Omar is tracking well off the east coast, and it seems that it will track away from the east coast and therefore pose no additional land threat. Omar became the earliest named 15th storm in any Atlantic hurricane season. It is tracking well off the U.S. East Coast and therefore is no threat to the U.S. mainland. The system seems to have low surface pressure, and with enough thunderstorms organized around it, it may be deemed a storm that may lessen in strength as the hours progress. On Tuesday, it was estimated that Tropical Storm Omar had winds of 40 miles per hour, as it was over 200 miles east of Hatteras, North Carolina. It poses no land threat and will be steered toward the east-northeast into the Atlantic Ocean between the coasts of New England and Bermuda. Wind shear will likely take its toll on Tropical Storm Omar, and later Omar is likely to spin down to a remnant low by later this week. Therefore, it is expected that Omar may dissipate, but who knows how much Tropical Storm Nana may strengthen.